Hello viewers, Mohammad Aslam here from LeadFlex. So in this video we are going to learn about split test and I will show you what is split test. Split test is basically a method where we can test different variations of email campaigns or landing page campaigns or ad campaign. So let's dive in video. I will show you how we can implement in a GoHighLevel. So first of all, I'm going to my funnels. Here I have multiple funnels that I have designed for my client. So for example, I can go with this funnel. I will just open this funnel. I will show you my funnel design work as well. Here is my funnel design work that I have designed for my client. If you need funnel design or automations or chatbot services, type in a Google LeadFlex and come here and book free consultation. The link in video description also and also channel description as well. So let's back in a video. So here we are going to test, we are testing with different funnels. So first of all, you can see here we have variations feature. So what we need to do, we need to just create a variation of this funnel. So I need to just click here. You see this create variations. Okay, and we are going to implement, please type the domain. Okay, it's asking for funnel. I will need to type the domain. So let's I will attach domain with my funnel. It's okay, and I'm go to settings. I have domain here. I will attach it. Before domain attach, you need to check exact domain, and also without domain you are not able to proceed with this split testing. So right now we have attached domain with our funnel. So let me create the variations. I need to click on a variations button. Domain is attached. I think we need to refresh it. Okay, let's create. Here you see domain is attached here. So we are able to create the funnels. So we are going to use existing funnel. I'm going to select here funnel, or funnel is a property management, and here what we can do, I am going to test landing page, because landing page is a main page where we can send audience traffic from Facebook ad, Google ad, or we can send via email as well. So I'm going to test home page. I just import this page here. So in this case, I'm going to test variations on a page copy. So I think I need to refresh here. Funnel copy is created but not showing in the variation area. It's imported here. So my page is import here. So we need to check, we need to split our whole traffic into 50%. We can say that if we are running Facebook ad, we will saying that 50% traffic goes to this page and 50% goes to this page. But in this page we will change some settings, some copies, some images, whatever you want to change on this page, you can change it, and after that you need to do all the things. It will be split all the things, all traffics, and you need to test all the things here. For example, we are going to say we are going to change removing this copy in this page. So I will update it. So we are going to test this copy. I go back. So right now that's our split test will be implemented on this landing page. So what we are going to do here, we are going to do send 50% traffic on this page and 50% traffic on this page. If you are running Facebook ad, or if you are running a Google ad, or you're sending emails campaign, it will be divided equally all the traffic, and you can test which page is performing well and which page have more conversion. So you can keep this the page and make the winner. So for example, this page is getting more leads and more sales. So what we can do, we will keep this declare this as a winner. So it's our winner page. We are going with this page after the whole testing of our ad or our traffic or split testing. So that's it for landing page split testing. I will also show with the automation split testing as well. So what we need to do, we are going to create a workflow here. For example, you have email list thousands of people, so you are going to send to send all email traffic to your landing page, or you're going to send on a emails copies, what we can need to do, we will say that I'm going to select the trigger I just show you, send email. I'm not going to select anything else. I think we need to select, I'm going to just dummy data. We are sending emails, so we have here action that called split. So here we can implement our split testing. Here we have two path A and path B, and we will divide email traffic equally, 50% on a path A and 50% on a path B. If you want to add more path, you can do here. Okay, and I just add it. So here you can see there is a two path 1 and path 2, and you can test, for example, path A is working fine, then you can send emails with another successful ratio. And what we can say that here is a test, here is a test 1, and what we can do, we can just copy this and paste here. So we will test all the automations here. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you want Facebook ad, Google ad, or want to design your landing page, so go to LeadsFlex and book free of cost consultation, and I will guide you how you can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video.